Hey, have you ever wondered why some job advertisements get clicked more often than others? One decisive factor is the employment type. Potential applicants specifically filter their search for full-time, part-time, or other models. If this information is missing, you are giving away valuable reach. I'll show you now how to correct this with just 2 clicks. To do this, click on the briefcase icon up here and you will land directly back at your job advertisements. If you already have many jobs in your overview and can't find the right one immediately, simply use our filter function. Select the recommendation, type of employment missing, and all associated jobs will be clearly displayed to you right away. Then click on the desired job to edit it. Now scroll down to the employment type section. If nothing has been selected here yet, you should definitely do that now. Simply choose the appropriate model, whether it's full-time, part-time, or, for example, an internship. As soon as you make the selection, this information is transmitted directly to Google. This ensures that your job is displayed exactly to the people who are looking for that specific working time model. You see, with just one small click, you achieve a big impact. Complete data not only makes your ad more attractive to applicants, but also ensures a significantly better ranking on Google. My tip for you, check the overview regularly to ensure that all your active positions are optimally filled out. This way, you keep track and get the maximum out of your recruiting with minimal effort. Good luck with the optimization and see you soon.